Hello, this is Online Q's, YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to redeem your Sephora gift cards. First of all, go to Sephora.com and then sign into your account if you are not logged in yet. After you're logged in, hover your mouse over to Gifts link. Now select Gift Cards option. Scroll down to the bottom and enter your Sephora gift card number and PIN code, then check balance in order to see the balance and add the balance to your Sephora account. If you want to use the Sephora gift card as a payment method, then find any item that you like. Then click Add to Basket button. Now click Checkout Shipped Items. Make sure you add the shipping address. Then under Payment Method, click Add Gift Card. Enter the gift card number and the PIN code. Click Apply to use the Sephora gift card to purchase the item from Sephora online. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.